Hello, I'm here today at St. Mary of Czestochowa Church in New Kensington, Pennsylvania, and I'm joined with their wonderful pastor, Father Ken Zaccanini. And we have just had a great opportunity to review a lot of the restoration work that is happening here at the parish church. And actually, we are up on the scaffolding, what I like to say the second level, and having a wonderful opportunity to look at the painting and the plaster restoration, and particularly I've been just intrigued and so pleased with the restoration of the beautiful murals that are occurring here in the parish church.
So basically where they had to repair and cut the walls, I have to blend all the image area into the foreground and then touch up any kind of things that are in disrepair in the inner motif. A lot of it is more extensive. Some of them aren't badly damaged, but some were. So it's basically probably the hardest task of this all is trying to incorporate the original artist brushstrokes and colors. So matching everything and making it look uniform is the most challenging of it all. I will be doing the lamb above the altar after this, and that will be more all of mine, except sticking with the same motif. And there will be a cloud formation around the lamb, which is not there now, but I heard that originally there was a cloud formation. So I will be creating a whole cloud formation around that lamb.
I'm Dick Brandt with Fullback Construction. We're working on the barrels at St. Mary's here in New Kensington. The plaster originally was stabilized by Tiedemanns to bring it back to life. Then Steel City Plastering came in and did the cosmetic work on the face of what you would actually visually see. They fixed all the plaster and the high voltage ceilings.
We're in the process of completing the painting and plaster work in the high vaulted areas of the church. We anticipate to begin the scaffold removal either late next week or early the following week. And we will be continuing with painting, plaster repairs, and we are also going to be starting the measuring for the carpet areas so that we could get that in progress and in production. We will most likely start removal of pews on one side of the church. They'll be stored on the other side, and we'll be working in a half and half manner to complete the interior renovations.
I'm getting really excited. You heard some great description about what has gone on here, what will be taking place here shortly. And all I can think about is our parishioners entering this church, revamped, rebuilt. What a glorious day that is going to be. It is just going to feel so good. Our bishop will be with us. We'll have an incredible reopening mass. I am excited inside. Hopefully everyone will enjoy what they see in this video, and the best is yet to come.
I just want to say to all the people of the parish and of the region, what a beautiful job that's being done. And I want to thank Father Ken for his wonderful leadership. I know sometimes when projects like this are undertaken, people can become anxious, but it really, I think today really proves to me that sometimes the patience is worth the wait, and we're really having some wonderful things being done here, and the church is really being transformed, and I think you really see it today, the transformation. So I just want to thank everyone for their patience, thank everyone for their continued support of the parish, even while the church building is closed. Your support spiritually, your support financially, and your personal support to Father Ken and the priests and the advisory councils of the parish are so important, and I want to assure you of my support and my continued encouragement and my commitment to this project. I'm looking so forward to not only the ongoing project, but its eventual completion and the opportunity to be here to celebrate the rededication of the parish church. So thank you again, and God bless you, and may Our Lady of Czestochowa intercede for us.